Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Rasheen and this is Simply Sheens. And so in today's video we will be doing a DIY Gotham City. So easy to do using this chalkboard contact paper that I purchased from Amazon, and I will have the links in the description box. So I started off with the larger piece, which was a 35 by 78, and then you'll see me making smaller boxes using the smaller size, which was a 17 by 38. So as you can see, I am not measuring, just simply eyeballing, but the contact paper is so easy to remove or just simply adjust that makes this project super simple. And working on the other side was even simpler because I was able to pre-cut and then go ahead and place it onto the wall. My plan was to just do behind the beds, but because I had a little left over, I was able to make a building in the middle.
That's the moon.
Okay.
That's the white.
Okay.
Superman's sad.
Why?
Jeez, why is he sad? Incredible Hulk broke his cape.
He's sad because Incredible Hulk broke his cape?
Yes.
Oh. Oh. I would be sad too.
Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for when I upload my next video. And as always, God bless.